In this Circuits of the Past video, you'll see a compilation of Herman's visit to Oulton Park on July 27th, 2018. It was part of his circuit tour during 2018 that went through northern France and England. Herman arrived in the morning, but had to wait until the lunch break. Then, they would drive him around the circuit and unlock the gate to the old range corner for him to get a sneak peek inside. So while he waited, Herman kicked back and watched the action out on track. When it was the lunch break, the circuit director drove Herman around the circuit in a van. The Oulton Park Circuit is a permanent racetrack in Cheshire, England. It opened in 1953 on a former military base. During World War II, the site was used for preparations for the Normandy landing on June 6, 1944. The original track was 1.5 miles long and almost rectangular in shape. A year after opening, an extension was built that gave it its current shape. For the extension, the Cascades Corner was modified, whilst the range corner was left abandoned. For safety reasons, over the years, 2 chicanes have been added to the circuit. The first in 1973 and the second in 1992. This was after a fatal accident at Knickerbrook in 1991. During a Formula 3000 event, Paul Warwick lost his life here. Paul was the younger brother of former Formula 1 driver and Le Mans winner Derrick Warwick. Today, the full Oulton Park Circuit is 2.692 miles long. At the end of the lap, the circuit director said, "I'm sorry I don't have a faster vehicle to drive you around, but maybe I can arrange something for you." He found someone who wanted to drive Herman around at speed. After asking Herman to sign a disclaimer, they went round for 2 high-speed laps at Oulton Park. After the action on the current track, the circuit director took Herman to the heritage section. Here are the remains of the original Cascades and range corners. These were only ever used in 1953, the first year Oulton Park was in operation. Range Corner gets its name from the circuit's military past, as a shooting range was previously situated here. After the track walk on the heritage section, Herman left Oulton Park and set off for his next destination that day. In the afternoon he would visit the old Grand Prix circuit of Aintree, and in the evening the abandoned Leyland test track. You can see that footage in another video. For now though, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more memories of circuits of the past, and occasionally from the present too. Oh, and before you go, there's a free ebook about 7 abandoned circuits that you can visit legally. You can download it from the website www.circuitsofthepast.com.